Good afternoon. This is call number 2016-84161. In the interest of Galicia Ward, all parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands and be sworn. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, ma'am. Please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Katrina Garcia, I'm her mother.
All right, and representing the Attorney General, State of Texas.
Kavita Sharma.
Court will note that Kashan Ward is the non-custodial parent who's personally served on July 29th, 2022 at 7:54 a.m. at 7630 Crispwood Lane in Houston, Harris County, Texas, and he has not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct, Ms. Sharma?
Correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Yes, Judge. I would like to call Stella Guerrero.
All right.
Ms. Guerrero, can you please identify yourself for the court?
Yes, Stella Guerrero, Office of
Eh.
Attorney General, Child Support Officer.
And Ms. Guerrero, what are your duties as a child support officer?
CSRP's enforcement, establishment, locate,
And do you conduct
investigation.
investigations and
Yes, I do.
calculate child support and retroactive child support?
Yes, I do.
And have you received any special training to calculate child support in compliance with the Texas Family Code?
Yes, I have.
Have you calculated child support in this matter?
Yes, I have.
Can you tell me, based on your investigations, where is the non-custodial parent employed?
It's PV Fluid Products, Inc.
And what are your calculations in regards to wages for Mr. Ward?
Okay, I pulled up the Texas Workforce, the Eagle.
Well, hold on 1 second, Ms. Guerrero. Just share with me what are his gross monthly resources?
Okay, his gross is $5,012,
And what is his net resources?
$3,895.61.
And have you calculated current child support based on those wages?
Yes, I did. It is
Are you-
779.
Okay, and what is your medical support calculations?
Medical is $204. Dental is $29.
And who carries the medical as far as you know?
The custodial parent carries it via an outside source.
Thank you. And Judge, I pass this witness.
All right, Ms. Garcia, do you have any questions of Ms. Guerrero?
I don't have any questions.
Okay. Ms. Sharma, may she be excused?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you're excused, Ms. Guerrero. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. And Judge, in regards to the prior order, I would like to ask the court to take judicial notice from the order that was signed on March 26th of 2019.
Oh, so noted.
And I would like to call the mother next, Ms. Katrina Garcia.
All right.
And Ms. Garcia, you have knowledge from the prior order that set monthly child support at $454 to begin on April 1 in 2019. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And it also set monthly medical support in the amount of $31 beginning the same date.
That's correct.
And you're here today to modify this order?
Yes, ma'am.
And you carry health insurance for your child?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to order that Mr. Ward reimburse that medical insurance in the amount of $204 to begin December 1?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you agree to pay half of any uncovered health costs?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to set current child support to begin December 1 in the amount of $779?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to bill court costs to Mr. Ward?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. And Judge, I pass this witness.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you. Order is excused.
Thank you, Ms. Garcia. You're free to go. Thank you, Stella.
Is Ms. Simpson on video?
Yes, Ms. Simpson, you can turn your camera on.
And unmute yourself, please. All right, this is cause number 2016-87404 in the interest of Josiah Hubbard. All party and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. Mr. Barrera, please unmute yourself. Is he there?
Yes, Judge, he's here.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm sorry.
All right, raise your right hands to be sworn. All parties and witnesses, you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, I do.
Ms. Simpson, I didn't hear your answer.
Yes,
All right,
I do.
ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Rakita Simpson, mother.
And representing the Attorney General, State of Texas.
Kavita Sharma.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent is Terrell Hubbard. Mr. Hubbard was personally served at 6535 Gagnon Road in San Antonio, Bexar County, Texas at 9 a.m. on July 6th, 2022. It appears that he has not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct, Ms. Sharma?
That is correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Yes, Judge, and I would like to ask the court to also take judicial notice of the prior non-agreed child support review order that was signed on February 14th of 2017.
So noted.
And Your Honor, we also have a financial activity report in this case that's been marked as State's Exhibit 1. I'd like to ask the court to admit that into evidence.
All right, Ms. Simpson, have you had an opportunity to look at the pay record?
Yes.
You have any objections of me admitting that into evidence?
No.
All right, State Exhibit 1 is admitted.
Thank you, Judge. And I'd like to call Ms. Simpson, the mother.
Okay.
Ms. Simpson, you're familiar with the prior order that was signed in 2017. In this order, did Mr. Hubbard, was he ordered to pay current child support at $188 a month to begin on December 1st in 2016?
Yes.
And was he ordered to pay $50 in medical support beginning December 1st, 2016?
Yes.
And is he currently in arrears of child support $23,952.11 as of October 31st of this year?
Yes.
And are you asking the court to grant a judgment against Mr. Hubbard in this amount?
Yes.
In regards to medical support, is Mr. Hubbard currently in arrears $3,385.97 as of October 31st, 2021? I'm sorry, 2022?
Yes.
And is Mr. Hubbard, to your knowledge, currently incarcerated in the Texas Department of Corrections with a projected release date of August 4th of 2023?
Yes.
And you carry health insurance for your child?
Yes.
Are you asking the court to allow you to maintain that health insurance?
Yes.
And are you asking the court to modify the prior order and set child support at $0 beginning December 1 due to Mr. Hubbard's incarceration?
Yes.
And are you asking the court to modify the prior order and set current child support at $0 beginning December 1, 2022?
Yes.
And are you asking the court to bill court costs to Mr. Hubbard?
Yes.
And have you reviewed and signed this order today?
Yes.
Thank you. Judge, I pass this witness.
All right, and why is Mr. Barrera here?
He just
Any-
wanted to join us, Your Honor.
Oh, you just want to join the party, huh?
He's Astros fan.
Okay. The court will approve the order